I'm going to do two things here. I'm going to first of all show you how to do powers, that is like a number to the power of something else, such as 4 squared, 5 cubed, and so on. And then I'm going to do the reverse process, which is to work out the square root or the cube root of a number. Now there's two ways you can do each of these. The first way is to use the power symbol, which is this. Okay, now you get that by pressing Shift and 6 on the keyboard. And the way to use it in a formula is, let's say we're doing something like 4 squared. You'd say equals 4 to the power of 2. You cannot just do equals 4 and then the symbol. That doesn't actually mean anything. That's like an incomplete formula, and that will give you an error. So it's always the symbol followed by the power that you want to use, in this case 2 for squared. So there's your 16. That's the first way of doing it. The second way is to use the power function. And what you do is you provide a base number, let's say 4, and then the power, in this case 2 for squared. And that will work out 4 squared for you. If you want to do, say, 5 cubed, using power, you can do equals power, open brackets, 5, 3, 5 being the base number, 3 being the power. 125. So that's the same as 5 times 5 times 5. Now to do the reverse, let's say you want to do the square root of 16. There's actually two ways you can go. There is a standalone function called SQRT, short for square root, and you simply provide the base number, in this case 16. Square root of 16 is 4. If you want to do it using the power, what you do is you start off just like you did before, so you say equals power, and in the brackets provide the base number. But then to work out the root of a number, you do 1 divided by whatever the power will be. So because we squared it in the first place, I'm going to do 1 divided by 2 here. Okay, 2 for squared, but 1 divided by 2 for the square root. And that takes you back to 4. If we do the same thing on 125, we would say equals power, open the brackets, provide 125 as your number, and this time you do 1 divided by 3 because we previously cubed it. So that will work out the cube root of 125. So there you go, powers and roots in Excel, very, very easy. I hope that's been useful. Go get them.